To the love of my love, you are the core of my life, my greatest blessing, my confinement, and my home. You calm my chaos and bring warmth to every version of me. With you, I found the love that is patient, kind, and endlessly forgiving. I never expected a random message would turn into a lifetime love story. Kasi who would have thought na mag-work yung relationship natin?
Now you watch The Bachelorette.
Thank you
You do
for
it all for
coming.
me.
Thank you. Thank you. Sa harap ng Diyos at ng mga taong mahal natin, I stand before you with a full and grateful heart. Simula nung magkalayo tayo, na-realize ko kung gaano kita kamahal. Nag-umpisa tayo sa long-distance relationship, sobrang daming challenges na dumaan, but still, nandito tayo ngayon.
So I let it in. Ooh, you bring color
Ingay.
to my life. The way I love you.
I promise to love you in all your versions, the one standing here today, the one where before we met, and the one we will grow into the years to come. Ikaw ang sagot sa aking mga panalangin, ang biyayang hindi ko inakalang makakamtan.
You bring color to my life. You do, you do, you do, you do, you do. Now I love the way the way I love you.
Ipinapangako kong mamahalin ka sa bawat ngiti at sa bawat luha, sa bawat tagumpay at sa bawat pagsubok.
I promise to be your home, your loudest cheerleader, and your forever safe place. I promise to always stay by your side, to conquer every challenge life presents.
Tahan na, nandito ka na. Di na tayo mag-iisa. O aking sinta, mahal kong sinta. Kay lakas ng ulan, kay ganda mong tingnan, kailan pa.
I vow to listen, encourage, and celebrate every big or small wins with you, my love.
Ang hindi masaya, at sa wakas ay nandito ka na. Kay kanta
My beautiful wife to be. Oh, this is something to carry your essentials while I carry your heart. Oh, sa'yo nakuha. Thank you for everything. Thank you for saying yes. Salamat sa pagpili sa akin. Cheers to love, laughter, and happily ever after. Oh, see you at the altar, my love. Let's get married.
Tinatarik ko sa sapatos sa brown.
Slippers! Thank you! Salamat, Ma. Papa, salamat sa inyo. Kahit minsan lang tayo magkasama. Ngayon lang. Ngayon malaki na ako. Pero maraming salamat sa lahat.
at sa pagtanda, ito ang aking nadarama. Itahan mo ko sa tuwian mo.
Kay dalawa
Ibigay ang
Nicole Jan at Nesseline ay mangangako sa Diyos at sa isa't isa at sa pangako ninyo, magiging tapat kayo sa pangako na kayo'y pagmamahalan at pagsasama ng habang buhay bilang mag-asawa. At sa pamamagitan ng pagmamahalan ninyo, ng inyong pagsasama, minapahal ninyo ang Diyos.
I commit to loving the person you are today and consistently support the person you will become. I will love you boldly, not just on sunny days of life, but even on stormy days too. I can't wait to grow old, laughing with you with cups of coffee and wrinkled hands. I love you more than words, my love.
Sa wakas, nahanap ang aking tahanan sa'yo. Bubuhay ko hanggang dulo. Ako'y sa'yo.
Thank you, Mama, kasi wala ko dito kung wala ka. Thank you sa pagpapalaki niyo sa akin ng maayos. Masaya ako kasi nandito ka.
At panghabang buhay na tayong dalawa.
From this day forward, I am yours completely, faithfully, forever. Sa bawat ngiti, bawat luha, at bawat pangarap na ipagkakaloob sa atin ng Diyos, I choose you today and every day, in all your perfect imperfections, and I keep choosing you over and over for as long as I live.